Hey guys, so today I'll be doing some yellow yam hash. These are my seasonings: onion, tomato, sweet pepper, hot pepper, scallion, thyme, and I'm going to be adding some okra to it. So as you can see, I did a medium diced with the yam. After they are halfway through, I'm gonna strain off the water, and then I'm gonna saute in the vegetables with it. So during my cooking process, I always mention the different cuts: julienne, fine dice, medium dice, etc. In another video, maybe tomorrow, I'll be going through the different cuts with you and teaching you the names of all the different cuts so you can learn also. Now I'm gonna go through this. I'm gonna cut the okras on the bias. I am gonna fine chop the hot pepper. I'm gonna dice, medium dice, the same size as the yam. Medium dice, same size as the yam, with the tomato, the sweet pepper, and also the onion. And I'm gonna fine chop the scallion. The thyme can just go in there, doesn't matter, or you can fine chop it also. So yesterday I cooked some turkey neck. I was kind of busy with the kids, so I didn't really have the time to make a video. So I still have leftover turkey neck, so this is what I'll be eating with it today. You ever look around in your kitchen and you're like, there's nothing here to eat, but you don't know how much things you can put together and have a meal. You'll be surprised. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these and show you guys. Sorry about the noise in the background. There are kids here. I can't get rid of them. So we just gotta work with them. So my yellow yams are finished. I'm just gonna show you. That's them right there. And to stop cooking process, because you know, once you take them out the water, the heat is still on them, so they will still be constantly cooking. So you have to run them under some cold water, and because they're gonna be cooked again, so it doesn't matter. These are my cuts. Dice, that's a tomato, medium dice. I cut these on the bias. Medium dice for the onion, medium dice for the sweet pepper. So now that my yam is cooled down, I'm just adding a little oil to it so they don't stick together. Now that my garlic is burnt and the pot is well hot, I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasonings.